Vitamin Biotin B7 Test Kit Microbiological Method. Test preparation. Sample preparation. Sample extraction. Weigh 1 gram of the homogenized sample into a 50 ml sterile centrifuge tube. Add about 30 ml distilled water to 40 ml. Shake well. Make sure the tube is completely sealed. Heat the tube in a water bath at 95 Celsius for 30 minutes. Shake at least 5 times during the bath. Cool the tube quickly to below 30 Celsius. Filter with 0.22 micrometer sterile microporous filter to 2 ml centrifuge tube. Sample preparation. Sample extract dilution. Taking a dilution factor is 100 as an example. Pipette 900 microliter sterile water and 100 microliter sample extract into the centrifuge tube. This is solution A. Shake well. Pipette 900 microliter sterile water and 100 microliter solution A into the centrifuge tube. This is the diluted sample. Shake well. Solution preparation. Standard preparation. Open the bottle cap of the sterile water and the vitamin B7 standard and place the cap upwards. Add sterile water to the standard bottle according to the label requirements and cover the standard bottle cap. Shake well, that is the standard concentrate. Take 6 sterile centrifuge tubes and prepare the standard solution according to the manual. Shake well. Solution preparation. Vitamin B7 medium preparation. Open the bottle cap and discard the desiccant with tweezers. Add 10 ml of sterile water to the vitamin B7 medium bottle. Cap well the bottle and shake well. Make sure the bottle is completely sealed. Heat the bottle in a water bath at 95 Celsius for 5 minutes. Shake at least 2 times during the bath. After incubation, quickly cool the bottle to room temperature. Filter with 0.22 micrometer sterile microporous filter to a 15 ml sterile centrifuge tube. Test procedure. Take out the microwell plate from the kit. Take out required number of microwell strips and fix them on the plate. Pipette 150 microliter of vitamin B7 medium into the microwells. Pipette 150 microliter of standard solution into the designated microwells. Rinse the tip with the standard or diluted sample before adding. Pipette 150 microliter of diluted sample into the designated microwells. Rinse the tip with the standard or diluted sample before adding. Remove the protective layer from the adhesive foil, place it flat on the microwell plate and press the foil flat against the microwells with your hand or tongue depressor to fully close the microwells. Incubate at 37 Celsius in the dark for 44 to 48 hours. Take out the microwell plate after incubation. Result interpretation. Press the adhesive foil down again. Turn the microwell plate over on the table and shake it back and forth on the table to dissolve the microorganisms in the medium. Turn the microplate back onto the table as before and gently pull off the foil at a diagonal angle of 180 degrees from the top right corner. Make sure to press the microwells on the table with the other hand to prevent the microwells from being pulled up when the adhesive foil is too tightly bonded to the microwells. Read turbidity with a microplate reader. Your food safety concern, our dedication.